the simple path to starting your own gold IRA. Starting a gold IRA might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. Here's the quick process. First, select a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs. They'll help you set up the account. Next, you roll over your existing IRA or 401k or add funds to purchase physical gold. The gold is then stored in an IRS-approved depository, keeping it safe and secure. That's it. You're diversifying your retirement with a tangible, stable asset, and you still get the tax benefits of a traditional IRA. Want to know more? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to get started on your gold IRA journey. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.